This conference will now be recorded.
Hello DBS, welcome to our YouTube channel Oracle Ride. As you know that I have started two series. One is Master Oracle 19C Rack in a minute, and second series is Master Oracle 19C Database in a minute. So today I'm recording my first series, that is Oracle 19C Database in a minute. So today is the 13th session of this tutorial series. So today I will discuss about the Oracle base config. So in read-only Oracle Home and read-write Oracle Home, the configuration files in a location known as Oracle underscore base underscore config. So in read write Oracle Home, the Oracle underscore base underscore config path is the same as the Oracle Home path. So because it is located at Oracle underscore home. So how you will check that? So there is a command which is aura base config actually, that will tell you so where it reside. So obviously it is reside in Oracle home underscore bin. So I will go to Oracle home and bin location, and the command is aura base config. Okay, so that is the command. So this is my aura base Oracle base config actually. But in read only Oracle home, aura base config path is same as Oracle base. Okay, that is U01 app Oracle. So as we know that Oracle underscore base underscore config slash dbs contains the configuration files for Oracle home, and each files in the dbs directory contain Oracle underscore sid, so that the directory can be shared by many different Oracle underscore sid. So this is all about Oracle base config. If it is a read-only Oracle home, then this output will come. So I'm showing this. So this output will come U0 app Oracle. So this is the difference between read-only Oracle home and read-write Oracle home. So DBA should know this difference, and DBA should know these things. So that's why I have recorded this concept today. I hope this will add some knowledge in your DBA career. So thanks from my side, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel Oracle Ride. Actually, why I'm saying that, because I'm not getting any like and comment, and so if you do this, it will motivate me, and if you will not do, nothing is happened actually. I will continue as sharing the things with my debate community. So thanks again for being here, and happy learning, and bye.